Alright, it's Sunday of Colossalcon, and I'm Rick Sanchez. I'm old, I'm tired, and I haven't had anything yet to eat, and all I have in my flask is vodka. We gotta fix this. What did you get, Morty?
Basics.
It's perfect for you, Morty.
Look how little. It's so cute.
You bitch! Where'd it go?
Lobster fucking red.
Morty, show me your arm. Show me your arm, Morty.
I don't want to see my arm.
Show me your arm, Morty. God, you're such a fuck up. I think mine's better.
I mean, leave it to a Rick to think that a parakeet's impressive.
You don't understand the medical properties of parakeets. Hey.
This one's letting me pet it.
Aww.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay, let's just gently shift away. I just have to get a video of Hero feeding the animals. Morty, you've been chosen. It loves you, Morty. Morty, you see this, Morty? This thing is more useful than you are. This little baby, slow, sleep 80% of the day, sloth. It's more useful than you, Morty. It's definitely more adorable than you. So we're waiting in line for the virtual reality game. This will be interesting. Neither of us have ever gotten to do this before. And we're in cosplay, so this is gonna be fun. Go to the outdoor park, but I had some pretty bad allergies, so I'm just kind of laying down and resting for a bit before I go. You can see what it's done to my eye. Actually, it's swollen a little and all red. So yeah, fuck nature. Me and I are going after the outdoor water park. It literally looks like you are still in cosplay. I know. It looks like you are still wearing a part of your cosplay. You are so sunburnt.
I know.
I'm smart. Anyway, was it Sunday night? Yeah, it's Sunday night, Colossalcon. Con is over. We're just watching Home Alone on TV, relaxing. Hunter and his friends are in the other room. We're gonna go out to get food later. It's been a nice, relaxing day. We tried out the new water park.
It was great.
It was fun. It actually was really enjoyable. This was a great Colossalcon. So we're checking out. Stop wiggling in front of the camera. Today is Monday. Con's over. Gonna play some arcade games maybe. And we're gonna drive 8 fucking hours and kill ourselves. We're just enabling him at this point. Hunter, how many tickets were you supposed to win? Oh yeah, that's definitely 10. Alright, we're leaving. Goodbye,
Kalahari.
Goodbye.
Break
It was
my heart, why don't you?
It was a really fun last day. We
Played in the arcade obsessively because I have fucking addiction problems.
There it is. And we played laser tag.
And we got to play laser tag, and I suck.
It's okay.
I suck. It's okay. I shot Chris. So.
Anyway, great con. Hopefully we'll see you all next year.
What, even East?
Yeah, you're going to East. I can't.
Why not?
It's during Dragon.
Right. It's not during. It's a week apart.
Yeah, I can't afford that. No. And my Mr. Melts-a-Lot says goodbye. Goodbye.